We are aware that for the last 3 years there has been artisanal mining, exploitation of minerals in the Bell area, Hilo area specifically, and it has had its own parts of stories for some time. It has not been good. There have been clashes, the communities fighting within themselves over the resources or fighting with the security apparatus. Now, we have the county government basically is mandated to oversee doing artisanal mining, and we have the county government that put in place various mechanisms in place, regulations, to ensure that the exploitation of the minerals in gold in Hilo is done in an harmonious, orderly, and beneficial way. We have had several engagements with the communities in Moyale, and particularly the Bell, for some time now. The county government had come up with the plans to demarcate those land in Hilo, established cooperatives, so that the exploitation itself for artisanal mining will be done within a framework which can be regulated. Now, there had been, of course, varied interests here and there, and it's not been moving with the pace that we wanted over time. But in the last, towards the end of the year, we have had from the executive and the community and the legislature, we have had engagements with the communities to ensure that work which is going to be done in the Hilo area, in Durban, is done in an orderly manner. The governor has taken the initiative, and the department executive, the county executives themselves of water and environment had that engagement with the community members, and lately on 31st of August, if I'm not wrong, last year, then about 14th of October last year, and then beginning of this year, 4th of January, up to last week, we have had engagements with the communities, and there has been an understanding that land demarcation, cooperative registration, of the artisanal mining in the area be done by the county government in an harmonious way. Now, yesterday, the last 2 days, we have had very bad stories now coming from Hilo. The community, the section of the community had meetings and press yesterday, condemning the county government for grabbing the land or taking away the land from them, inviting in for the influx of foreign individuals and the communities from other departments. This is not in order. First of all, we want to make it very clear that mining and resources underground belongs to the people of the Republic of Kenya. While the individual communities from the area may also benefit premiums based on the percentages which are from the proceeds for decommissioning of exploited land, degradation will have occurred as a result of that. These mechanisms to compensate the communities for any degradation on the land is provided for. The county government is conscious of that, but it does not give an exclusive right to any individual or community that resource exploitation in any part of this country is an exclusive operation of certain individuals, communities, or entities. That we want to be very clear. Yesterday, a section of the communities have said that they will resist by all means. We are hearing one is Mamo, so I don't know Mamo, father to one of the politicians in the area, had said that they will not allow for other communities to be invited to do exploitation, as well as they will not allow the county government, blaming the county government and the governor for taking away the land from them. This is not true. It's not true, and we wouldn't like to, belabor so much to respond to individual concerns, but we want to make it very clear that the county government and the governor had engagements with Sakuye Council of Elders among these other 6 communities that he had engagements with. Sakuye was part of the 6 communities that the community members were in engagements, and that we had an harmonious, the governor had an harmonious engagement with them, and the framework for opening of the Hilo mining area was agreed upon by the community. Therefore, for any individual to come out, threaten others that they are not invited in particular areas, or certain communities are not invited in certain areas, is unfortunate. And we would like, first of all, to condemn that, and Mr. Mamu and his faction, that's not the way to go. Sakuye and Dabel are part of this community. They have never been neglected. There's no reason to believe that. They have been there for many years, and we are not hearing this for the first time. It's not our intention as the county government to exclude or discriminate against any section of the population.